And we also said that in Ramzan, in Laylatul Qadr, Inna anzalnahu fi Laylatul Qadr, this is from Lawh Mahfuz, the slate which is suspended near Arsh. From there, the Quran was revealed to the first heaven. This is Inna anzalnahu fi Laylatul Qadr. What happened in Laylatul Qadr for the first time? Entire Quran. This entire Quran was revealed on the first heaven. Then from the first heaven, for 23 years in the life of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whenever Allah wanted whichever ayat to send, whichever surah to send completely, Allah you reveal it one after the other in stages to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And we also mentioned that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that every Ramadan, Jibreel alayhi salam would come to me, and he would listen the Quran that was revealed to me in the previous years. Meaning, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is also doing a revision in Ramadan in front of Jibreel alayhi salam, who was responsible to reveal the Quran. This is in Sahih al-Bukhari, hadith number 4997 and 4998, that Jibreel used to come. And in the last year of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Jibreel alayhi salam came twice. The Prophet recited the Quran before Jibreel alayhi salam twice. And this chronological order that we have today was given to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam by Jibreel alayhi salam, because Allah confirmed in Surah Qiyamah, Surah number 75, ayat number 16 to 19, that verily don't recite it in a haste, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We shall teach you the recitation, meaning the tajweed and the qiraat. We shall collect it for you, and we shall explain the meaning of the Quran or the ayat of the Quran to you, O Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So entire responsibility of the tajweed, the qiraat, and the explanation of the meaning of the ayat of Quran was taken by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala himself.